Brats, this could very well be the last Quest 2 head strap review we do. Let's find out. Now, if you haven't heard of BoboVR, there's good reason. One, this strap is a new Halo design. Two, if you try to find this thing, the only place you're probably gonna find it is on AliExpress, whatever people call that website that no one really trusts. Or you somehow dug through the dredges of Amazon and found this strap for $38, but it says it's out of stock till next month. Now, they are lying. I got one and it shipped out in like 3 days. It was here. So I don't know why they're saying they're out. Maybe they're low on stock, but we ordered this thing. We got it in right away. Let's find out what the heck's going on with this. So it's actually got a pretty nice package here. BoboVR M2. They actually put this weird, like this company wants you to know they made this and this isn't some drop ship like most of these, because they put an authenticity label on the thing and tell you to peel this off to make sure this is authentic. This is fancy. So it advertises, well, they call it average gravity distribution. I'm not really sure that's the term they're looking for when they say that, but basically this thing is supposed to distribute the weight all around your head, but be much more adjustable than the normal Halo head strap. Currently, only 3 people on Amazon have reviewed this thing so far. So it is pretty new and not a lot of people have gotten to see it yet. All right, comes in a nice little box there. And there it is. Is there anything else? Oh, we do have a manual. Probably won't need those. We'll hang on to them for now just in case. Even got branding up here, a QR code to scan, branding on the side. They really want you to know this is them and they are proud of this product. Now, just like any other strap, comes down like this right here, and it's just gonna slide over the sides. That is actually about the end of the adjustability on the front. The way they advertise this thing makes you think there's gonna be like a million ways to adjust it. It's got the gear in the back. Let's do the test. Put it next to the mic. You know, it sounds better quality than most of these gears we get. It's not squeaking at all on the X-Band, and it is a little clicky on the tightening, but it feels much more solid than most of them. The weird part that I'm interested in, how are these little pads here gonna push on top of your head? Is that gonna be a good thing or a bad thing? So these should just simply slide on. They feel really good on the slide, actually. You can just kind of work each side on slowly. And now it leaves a lot of play here because you're supposed to be able to adjust this closer and further from your eyes, depending on how you want it. I'm finding the facial interface on mine is gonna touch a little bit there, so I'm gonna have to adjust that and make sure this stays up high. And what I wanna do before I put this head strap on, I wanna try it without the head strap. I wanna see, because a truly good Halo head strap like the PSVR, it shouldn't need a strap over the middle. Maybe it does, but I'm curious. So let's see what we got here. So if I put it up here, I can feel those knobbies pushing on the top of my head. They're kind of weird. These feel weird. You notice them there. But I've got to say, dang, I think this just became my favorite head strap. Actually, ooh. I think I like this better than my deluxe audio strap. The only problem is the deluxe audio strap has those great headphones on the side, and this I'm gonna have the crap audio that the Quest 2 uses. But oh my God, this thing is shockingly comfortable. And I don't feel like it needs that top middle strap for any reason. You can add it on there if you feel like you need a little more stability, if you feel like it's needing to pull it off your face. But like, unlike the other Halo strap, I can actually get this one all the way up against my eyes. It's not pushing, but it is staying solid against my face. So if I go like this, I don't feel like this is gonna fall off. I can tighten it down a little extra if I want to. It's got these weird things here that touch on the sides, but they don't feel wrong. Like if you saw that flower looking head strap I checked out. Oh man. Okay, it's weird. I'm not gonna lie, it's really weird. I suddenly feel it cradling my head in the bottom. These parts are always pushing. They don't feel wrong. Everything just grabs your head in all the right places. I am actively thinking in my head right now how I can rip the headphones off the deluxe audio strap and strap them to this thing. This is great. Wow, I am so impressed. And there's even more room, so if you wanted to, you could push this thing really far back. It'll be too far up on my eyes, but like, no matter how you want this thing to fit, I feel like you could get it to fit that way. This one is so good. $38 on Amazon. There will definitely be a link in the description. Also, because you're gonna have a hell of a hard time finding it on Amazon. Know that it says it's out of stock, but it shipped in 3 days for me. Maybe it won't for you, but it shipped in 3 days for me. So it came super quick. It's night and day different in comfort. It is so good. I am rocking a Xerical facial interface, so I'm not having that normal face pad on here. So that might make a tiny bit of difference, but this feels so good. Oh, it feels shockingly good. Just for science, I'm gonna put this strap on really fast and see if there's any reason that I think this should be on. I can't see a reason why. One, that this needs this strap, and two, how this could underperform in any way that I wouldn't like. Now, there's two different ways you can put the strap on. You'll see these on other head straps on Amazon. You can just put it around itself here and lock it on. Some people like it that way, or you can actually loop it through. The Quest, I always loop it through. It's gonna be kind of a pain to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. The top strap, don't bother. There's no point. I don't see why, and all it's gonna do is mess your hair up. So I am not gonna bother with the top strap, but the head strap itself, 38 bucks. This is the best head strap on Amazon, in my opinion. We've tried almost all of them. 38 bucks. It feels better than my deluxe audio strap. My only qualm is I want these headphones on there because I don't like to have to deal with additional headphones. I really want to just rip this apart. Some other companies sell attachment headphones you can get that are just headphones. I might look into those because I think I would actually like this strap to be my whole full-time head strap over that one. So if you have any experience, Bobo's really new, you might not have seen him yet, but if you have any experience, I would love to hear in the comments what you think. Some head shapes are different. Everybody may not feel this way, but this has blown me away. I am really excited. I wasn't sent this by the company, so if you end up somehow seeing this, great job. Somebody actually nailed the head strap. I got nothing more to say, but go get one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours. Gallium VR, Chris Deputy, Legacy VR, Bagel, and Fissy King Sloth are current channel members. Our patrons, K27, Rocket Sauce 28, K Panda K, Fred Nepatebo, Ege Karatosh, Maddie's, Gallium VR, Orange VR, and Mr. Dodojo. Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting the channel.